Good evening, everyone. My name is Chamandeep Singh. I'm a zonal chef from the Viva Foods. With me, Chef Amit is with me. Chef Amit is the area chef from Punjab. Chef Chandar from Mumbai. So we are going to present our some products with the Viva Foods. We are going to do some fusion of some products like Roman, some Mexican, as well. We are going to show some Middle East product like fattoush salad and something like that. So first of all, I'm going to start with a Mediterranean sandwich. That is a Roman product, Roman sandwich. This is with the Mediterranean Roman side sandwich, which is with more of with the olive oil, herbs, and exotic vegetables. So right now, Chef Chandra is going to make a sandwich with the same Roman sandwich, Mediterranean sandwich. Chef, he's going to use a Mediterranean vegetable. He already get ready with the things that he used some vegetables like uh, olives, bell peppers, zucchini, broccoli. He added some of garlic and more of olive oil and herbs into it. He first baked the products, baked all the vegetables. You can see the more of olive oil is there and herbs or vegetables are there. He's going to use a garlic bread with this product. He already cut it out the breads. Now, now he's going to use a sandwich, cucumber mayo sandwich, and olive oil mayonnaise. This is the product which we are going to show you. This is more into a healthier side and more into like fat loss product. So, Chandra Chef, can we start the things?
Yeah, definitely, sir. Everything is ready. Hi, everyone. Good evening. Today I'm making Mediterranean salad by using Mediterranean saute vegetables along with olive oil and tempered with chopped garlic. So this is the Mediterranean vegetables I have, and I am using this toasted herb bread, and I'm going to make a three-layer sandwich over here. So first layer will be with lettuce, and I'm going to use this. I'm going to enhance the flavor of the sandwich with this olive oil, mayonnaise olive oil. No, it will be fine. I will just describe it and then I will make it. Right. So for the first layer, I will be using olive oil. You can't hear. Audible? Yeah. For the first layer, I will be using Viva olive oil mayo, and along with the lettuce, and then second layer will be mixed with this carrot and cucumber sandwich, along with these Mediterranean vegetables I have sorted, along with mixed herbs and olive oil. So please watch carefully. Thank you.
Chef is going to make a sandwich with same bread. Now he's using a Mediterranean. First of all, he's using a olive oil mayo. He's going to spread a olive oil mayo on one side of a bread, both sides. Same olive oil mayonnaise. He used it up on the base. Icebergs. He used a olive oil based on the base. Olive oil mayo covered with the second flavor layer. Now he's going to use the Mediterranean vegetables into it. Mediterranean vegetables are same with the olive oil and herbs. Mix it with this carrot and cucumber sandwich spread. Before making the sandwich, what he did, he used a Usha oven. First of all, he baked the bread, cut it out into slices, and baked the bread. Then he's going to use a sandwich. Going to use it for the sandwich now. That's it. There's an option. One more option is there. You can use a cheese slice also on the base. Chef is using a cheese slice. वो यूज़ कर लो, थोड़ा सा ये स्प्रेड करो. टूथपिक से लगाओ. Chef, can you bake it once? If you are able to bake it once for a few minutes. Chef, can you please make one more sandwich for it? Same sandwich. उसको present. It hardly takes 4 or 5 minutes because bread should be warm and the vegetables should be warm, and you can bake it, you can grill it. That is up to you. So we are not having a production for the thing, so we use the oven right now. Chef, please. One by two. Sorry. चेरी टमाटो निकाल, चेरी टमाटो को Mediterranean sandwich is ready. Uh, Sorry. So can you please taste it once?
It's too big to taste.
Big taste.
Want to pick all the thing?
Yeah, you can.
It's too much here.
No worry, we are making more.
Alright.
Ma'am, please. Ma'am, you are not going to get a proper flavor by if you are going to cut it out.
No, no, I will not have. But I'm taking all the portion.
Oh,
Please having it.
fine, fine. Sir, please. Yeah, please, please, please. Try to taste it full, please. Okay. Okay, I'm going. Please. Hamid to go. Chef, you are going to make a one more sandwich by it. Please try to cut it into four. This one, this one. Okay, after this we are moving on another next step, that is Mexican. Mexican. I'm going to say chalupas. Chalupas. We can say tacos, chalupas. But tacos is more into where the maize flour, maki ka atta. But what I am going to do, and tacos should be fried. But for the healthier side, what I am going to use, I am going to use a tortilla bread. I used a tortilla bread. I given a shape of a U, like a taco only. I'm going to use a sauces into it and more of salad. After this, भाई 3 लेयर में ये नहीं लग रहा था सर
Thank you. This is fine now.
सर जल्दी कर दे क्या कर रहा है यार तूने सब उल्टा उल्टा कर दिया इसमें नीचे वेजिटेबल्स बेकरी यूज कर बेकरी यूज कर How's it, sir? How's the sandwich? Thank you. Thank you. जल्दी कर यार चंदन इतना टाइम लगता है यार हो गया ना बंद कर और काट कर जल्दी कट बस हो गया हाँ 1/4 जल्दी कट कर ये चाहिए और नहीं कट कर हमें Mediterranean sandwich, sir. Roman. Sorry? Oh, no issues, no issues. Most welcome. Please try, sir. Yeah, it's veg. Ma'am. Ma'am, please. So now we are moving for the next step. It's a Mexican, but again the fusion things I did it with this product. I'm going to use a Mexican tacos. We can say Mexican tacos. We can say chalupas, but I'm going to say chalupas only. Chef is going to use a tortilla bread. He cut it out into a circle, and he's going to use a oven, Usha oven, for baking the thing. First of all, he bake the this. We only have to give a shape of a U for this, for tacos. Most of the time when we go and have these tacos, they use a maize flour tortilla. But if you are talking about the healthier side, then it should not be fried, but it was fried. So for the healthier side, I use a tortilla bread, and first of all I'm baking it up. चल रहा है ना? On है ना? For baking, I'm giving a time for 14 minutes, and temperature should be 160. Till the timing, I'm getting a preparation, doing a preparation for the vegetables. For the vegetables, for the vegetables, I'm using a bell peppers, mushrooms, broccoli, zucchini, and for the Mexican food, most of the time they use kidney beans, or we can use a baked beans. That is up to you. Okay, this time I'm using a baked beans and some of coriander into it. So I have to saute the vegetables first. Then I am going to use the vegetables. Then I'm going to add some Mexican salsa Mexican of Viva Foods. Then for this Mexican food should be more into sweet and spicy both. So for spiciness I'm going to use the garlic chili. Okay. Sauteing the vegetable. First of all, bell peppers. गरम होने दे, गरम होने दे. Fresh mushrooms. Some tomatoes, broccoli, blanched broccoli, zucchini, that's it. We have to saute it properly in a proper way, because if we serve it like this, थोड़ा सा कच्चापन लगेगा. So it has to be sauteed it properly. Now chef is going to use the kidney beans into it, baked beans. Sorry? Thank you. He's going to add some of mixed flavors, mixed herbs like oregano, chili flakes, some of thyme, basil. salsa, और डालो, और डाल, और डाल, और डाल, थोड़ा और डालो, गार्लिक चिली, a tinge of a garlic chili only, tinge. Vegetable base is ready. For it still take time. It takes them 10 minutes more. For I did some of I already made some chalupas. The same process. It after baking, it's the color should be a browner side, and it should be crispier side. Should be crispy. Okay. Okay. So on a base, chef is going to use a Southwest sauce. It's a Chipotle Mexican sauce. Chipotle is a Mexican chili. It should be smoked chili. So he's going to use a Chipotle sauce on the base. Bas. Bas. Iceberg. Iceberg. Base for iceberg. बस आइसबर्ग ज़्यादा रखना है आइसबर्ग और डालो थोड़ा फुल कर इसको आइसबर्ग On chipotle sauce, he added a iceberg. Now he's going to use a baked vegetables which he sauteed with salsa and some garlic chili with kidney beans. Filling कर इसमें हाँ filling कर इसमें थोड़ा गिर गया तेरा Now he's going to add some of cheese on the top and we are going to give a small baking like only for 2 or 3 seconds. Cheese should be melt. बस बस हमें बेक करो बेक इट वो अभी चल रहा है ना इसमें बेक करो ना साइड में खड़ा कर दो ना या खड़ा कर दो ना, साइड में लगा दो, एक के साथ एक. It hardly take a 2 minutes more. Till the time being, chef is going to do a plating preparation. बस. Chef, can you please bring it out? It's ready. Chalupas are ready. And see. Okay. Ma'am, please have a taste of a chalupas. Okay, I'll just show it first, then I'm going to cut it out in the future. Hello, Palua. Okay. 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 Chef, can you please cut it into 1 by 4?
Image of that.
Yeah, why not? Yes, sir.
Portions are really big.
So we must have to plan it first only. Earlier only.
Yeah, that will be great. That's why we definitely go out.
Sorry, I'm really sorry. It will be cut it out in only 2 pieces. Otherwise, it will spread. Yes, ma'am. Please.
Thank you very much.
Sir. I'm moving to backside. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
My pleasure. Uh, Thank you. Thank you. Yes. So now we are moving on the next step. This is again we are now moving to Middle East side. The people used to have a salad by the fatoush. Fatoush is moreover with lavash sheets or khaboos or and vegetables should be sautéed with again with the olive oil or butter and veggies. So now chef is going to use the same lavash sheet for it. He's going to use a lavash sheet, okay, and he's going to use the vegetables like cottage cheese, or you can use a feta cheese, or you can use a gouda cheese. That is up to you. And zucchini, broccoli, bell peppers. So Chef Amit will take care of this thing. Chef, what else vegetables you are going to use it for it? He's going to use the tomatoes, cube cutting of cucumbers, tomatoes, cube cutting of cucumbers, cottage cheese, julienne peppers, iceberg, Chef, can you please start the things? So for this salad, chef is going to use a one ranch sauce. Is going to use a ranch sauce as well as sweet onion. Ranch sauce is a base of whey protein and oil. The olive oil is into it, and they are going more of flavor is a garlic flavor. So again, for two salad, like if I'm talking about a Lebanese food should be more in a non-veg, and they use olive oil, butter, and the vegetables are like these bell peppers, broccoli, zucchini. They used to make the things with these products only. Yes, we have a recipes books as well now. Yes, 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 we have. Lavash sticks are ready. Already done. Aman? Okay. He's going to use a julienne cutting of bell peppers. Cheese, cottage cheese, feta cheese, whatever you want to use. Cucumber. Parsley, chopped parsley, spring onions, and cherry tomatoes. One by two. He's going to toss all the vegetables with sweet onion. You can use some of vinaigrette sauce as well. That is with the olive oil and vinegar and garlic. But this the salad which I'm going to show it up, I'm going to use a ranch on the base. The flavor is with the garlic and this vegetable. Why I'm using this, because this salad is more into a sweet and some of tanginess flavor. प्लेट्स ले आया. He's going to use a lavash sheets. On the base, he's going to use a ranch sauce. He's given a shot of a ranch on the base on lavash sheets, and he's adding an iceberg on the base. You can say it's a bed, or you can say it's a dressing. Cost lettuce. Fatoush salad is ready. So,
Thank you, thank you. This is just for decoration?
yeah, this
Or
is all the
because you put it-
presentation.
okay, okay.
Ma'am. Oh, sorry. Can you please share? Sir. Thank you.
Nice.
How's it? Fine. Great. Okay. Now we are moving for dessert. No, sorry, for the beverage part. Not last but not least. Okay. Chef is going to make a one refreshing strawberry mojito for you all. Okay. So it hardly take 4 5 minutes. Please give us a comment for these things actually. How was the things? लेमन और मिंट लगा लो हाँ लेमन कट किया वो लेमन लेके आया था एक गिलास एक गिलास
I was just saying in the mojito we can add the vodka also. Now that you want disclose.
probably from next time
Actually, they are very light and nice snacks.
thank you it's a refreshing strawberry mojito
They're not heavy. They don't make you feel heaviness.
Very new and variety.
Yeah.
we are going to use this strawberry
These are something that you eat, enjoy, and then you don't feel a heaviness. Unlike our traditional
Deep fried.
Nordic.
chef for refreshing strawberry mojito chef is going to use our strawberry fruit syrup this is more with the fruits percentage of fruits is around 30% 30% of fruits are into it and what first chef is going he already muddled some of mint and lemon separately chef can you please start the things on the base he's going to use the same lemon and mint
Small glasses for serving.
He's going to muddle the things with muddler. Chef muddle. That's it. Now he's going to use a strawberry on the base. Strawberry is around 30 gram. Ice. Amit, रुक जाओ. Chef, can you please the strawberry? Sorry, Sprite. Sprite. Half of Sprite, half of soda.
Otherwise, it will be too sweet.
Half of soda. Straw how? Straw. That's it. It's almost ready. Strawberry mojito is ready. Refreshing strawberry mojito. डाल दे. Straw डालो. Strawberry mojito is ready. Please.